Is the anticipated iPad Fold being delayed a signal of trouble or a golden opportunity for Apple investors? Apple's journey to create foldable tech has had its ups and downs, and although some products are progressing smoothly, others face significant hurdles. This situation has clearly benefited Apple shareholders, with the company's stock experiencing a notable rise of more than 2% by the end of Wednesday's trading session. Don't miss TipRank's half-year sale. Unlock access to premium investing resources and expert insights with 50% discount. Learn more here. #iPadFold. 5 complicated at Timer S and Timer Equal at tipranks.com. While Apple's plans to release a foldable iPhone in 2026 seem to be on track, the situation with the foldable iPad, known as the iPad Fold, is more complex. Reports indicate that progress on the iPad Fold has been temporarily suspended. Some of the challenges include advanced manufacturing difficulties and increased production costs, particularly due to the expensive foldable display technology. But that's not all. The expected demand for larger foldable devices like the iPad Fold appears to be lacking, which could ultimately stall the project's development or even lead to its cancellation. But here's where it gets controversial. Apple's decision to slow down the iPad Fold development could prove to be a wise move if consumer preferences shift towards more cost-effective devices. Do you think Apple should focus on refining existing products before launching new ambitious projects? Share your thoughts below. Perfect timing for the new Apple TV 4K. On a different note, Apple TV 4K is set for a timely release. The upcoming model, priced at an attractive $129, might be the perfect product to reach mainstream popularity in the home entertainment sector. While many modern TVs have integrated streaming services, Apple's affordability, combined with its successful Apple TV Plus service and reduced interruptions from ads, could attract viewers seeking a cleaner, ad-free experience. Is Apple stock the buy, hold, or sell? On Wall Street, analysts have a moderate buy recommendation for AAPL, with a consensus including 15 buy ratings, 10 holds, and 3 sell ratings over the past 3 months. Despite a 6.2% drop in its share price over the last year, the average price target of $224.22 per share suggests a potential upside of about 5.49%. What do you think about Apple's latest moves? Are these developments a promising start or a cause for concern? We look forward to hearing your take on Apple's future in the comments.